Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the app and device are ready. Update Instagram, then open the feed or reels you want to auto-scroll. Next, enable your phone's accessibility automation. On iOS, that's voice control or switch control. On Android, use accessibility shortcuts or switch access. Once done, create a custom command or gesture that performs a single upward swipe. Set a repeat interval. Start with 3-5 seconds, so Instagram advances smoothly. This gets you into the automation workflow quickly and reliably. Now you'll build the timed swipe that does the work. Record a custom gesture that mimics a short upward swipe, about 0.5 to 1 second, so posts advance without skipping. Assign that gesture to a voice phrase or a switch trigger, then schedule repetition at your chosen interval, for example, every 3 to 5 seconds. Once done, test on a short sequence of posts. If posts jump too far, shorten the swipe or increase the interval. Make sure the screen orientation and zoom level match your test settings to avoid surprises. Finish by running the auto scroll for a minute and watching behavior. You want consistent, comfortable pacing, so adjust the interval or swipe distance as needed, and disable auto lock or increase screen timeout so the phone stays awake. If the automation stops working, first restart Instagram and your phone. Next, re-record the gesture and reassign the trigger. Finally, toggle the accessibility feature off and back on. If you still see issues, shorten the gesture duration and retest. Small tweaks usually solve mismatches between swipe and content layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.